Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the spotlight feature on your iPhone to easily search for stuff. I don't know why I said video weirdly, but you're going to drag your screen down to go to Siri suggestions, and you're just going to basically search for either an app or something that you want to download. I'm just going to search for Cooking Mama here, and then it's going to bring me to this page, and I can basically go to the App Store, and there's also some Siri knowledge, there's web images, some suggested websites as well, and you can just select the ones that you want. For instance, you want to instantly download from the search menu, you can just download it here. And that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!